Got in the ES on the breakout, um, but I got targets off on the ES, MES. I got a target off on M and Q. I'm gonna move that stop down to guarantee money on that. But yeah, they're gonna try to push this up. So let me just take this guy flat. Let's go down like just just know this thing's getting down now. They got to take it back down. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, well, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, technically, I should probably still have my stop sitting above that midpoint there. But I think if it, yeah, let's just leave the stop where it's at. Whatever. I picked that stop for a reason. Leave it. Well, if it fails here, we are definitely going back down. I think you could probably, if it fails here to take a long, you could probably get on the short bandwagon with me.
Yeah, if it comes up here and drops again, I'll probably jump in.
I mean, you could almost just put like a sell stop in here. I'm not gonna do. Let's see, M and Q. I'm not gonna do. Uh, eh, eh, eh. I'm pretty happy with it. I think this still should be short. I'll try to. Let's see. I want to start scaling into the uh, ES shorts. Let's do that. Let me switch to a different account here. Let's Oh, there we go.
What's
Flat.
up?
Flat. Okay, I'm gonna go finish making my lunch. I'll be right back.
Okay,
Well, I
I'll
am
be
gonna
here.
try to get in short though on the next rally.
I'm getting a rally now on the yes.
Be right back.
Getting a CL short. I'll take a CL short. I definitely take a CL short. First target somewhere around right about here. Short CL. And short ES. Okay, freaking missed the ES. Dang it. And the NQ. Not so much the NQ, but the ES for sure. Dang it. Pull back up to that 89 was nice too. I can take it here, I think. There it goes. Target off. NQ. Setting up. Boom. Wow. What was this all about? Let's see, I'm gonna move my stop to break even on this crude trade. Hey, Brian, you're missing the crude. I don't know if you can hear me.
Well, yeah,
You just missed a nice gold crude short.
you just missed what I'm eating.
And I know I saw the picture. It looks good, but it's gonna be another banger, man. That's two bangers on crude this morning.
Had
I'm looking at.
fried these avocados and butter.
Yeah, it looks good. Fried. I mean, that sounds good. Fried avocados and butter. Can't beat that.
Sauteed mushrooms.
Mix that butter with a little bit of olive oil so you get that crisp on it.
Yeah, I crisped it a little bit.
Yeah, get a little char on it. Looks good.
It is was good.
Come on down. Come down to the freaking 89 at least. That little $200. Get down there. Where do I want my stop?
Crude?
Let's put it. No, yeah, I'm short from 8.82, 111.82, 111.81. Excuse me.
Oh, good.
Heck, it's double topped up there.
Nice trade.
See if it'll get down to the 89. Couple $100 trade.
We got a little support sitting here.
See here.
Um, I guess I'm gonna try to get another. Start scaling into these shorts on the MES.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Ooh. Hello. All right, there's my target on crude. It went the other way.
Well, should have added a short up there.
Yeah. Or is this turning around? Are we just going back over the top of that range again? I don't know. We're back in that range again, so.
Still creeping down though.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see my message?
But yes,
Before I reply.
I I
Before I
replied.
reply to his message.
What was his message? I don't even remember his message. I didn't
Selfie,
read his
the
message.
selfie stick thing.
Oh,
Or I replied, just you take over that conversation before I say something stupid. Because I think I'm right, right?
yeah. But I mean, I think it's also, I like what he said, though. I mean, you need to go ahead and that would be kind of cool to
Well,
do.
yeah, I'll do it, but I
Doesn't
don't.
have to be priority.
Here, hold on. Let me tell you this.
Oh, shit. Pay attention, Paul. Oh,
Yeah, that's the fucking point. That's the point I'm at right now. Every single time, it's
Well,
something,
I mean,
some new.
I guess my answer to that is why aren't you doing it? Why not just put it out there? What does it matter? He can come back later and put whatever he wants on. It's like, why wait?
Yeah,
Just throw it out there. You were doing it beforehand, so
yeah,
why not do it now?
because he said to wait on it
Right. Um,
like 6 weeks ago, 7 weeks ago. Oh well.
Here, I'll.
Oh, what the hell can I crop this video?
There you go. I'm gonna try it. Let's see.
I know that. I get that.
But that's what I'm saying, though. Just go ahead and put it out there. There's nothing to lose. Is what I'm saying. If it don't work, it don't work. I don't care. Like, just throw it out there until the other stuff can be done.
What in September?
You, well, I mean, I'll push that, but I'm just saying rather than sit here doing nothing.
I get that part, which I will
Yeah,
do. We're not in disagreement on that.
yeah. I mean, I'll go ahead and push that other side.
Yeah, just we need it. We need something now. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah. Well, and that's what I'm saying. Maybe what you were doing in the previous was fine for now to throw it out
I
there.
feel like it was.
Get Gray to help you with that.
All right.
Oh man.
Well, the good news is I can go back through all the screenshots and see what time I took. Oh, but I don't have the time of the video. It's all right.
Oh,
There's plenty of them. There's plenty. I can get lots of them. Lots and lots. As a matter of fact, I think I'm just gonna do that right now. Take about 30 minutes and record a few of them. Yep, I'm gonna do that.
oh. Biggest bridge in Iran comes tumbling down, never to be seen again. Much more to follow.
Nice.
It's time for Iran to make a deal before it's too late. I guess my question is, if you go to war with a country, and I understand that, like he was saying last night that he didn't want to, he's not bombing their oil fields, because it would totally decimate them. Well, but isn't the whole purpose of going to war to win?
I think he wants the oil there, buddy.
That he wants their oil?
Pretty sure that's why you don't bomb the natural
Well, but I mean,
resources.
do we need their oil?
No, but I think he wants it,
Okay.
just like he wants Venezuela and Cuba.
He's got Venezuela. Yeah, Cuba's next. Although there's no Cuba, there's no value to Cuba other than just it being so close to the United States. That's all. There's no real natural resources in Cuba.
Cuban Missile Crisis.
That's what I'm saying. Other than its proximity to the U.S., that's it.
Well, it doesn't really matter now. You got a
Yeah,
bomb. You
true.
got missiles that can travel through through space and back
Yeah,
in at you.
they can come from the moon,
Yeah, lasers. Have you seen those freaking lasers? They're
dude. The thing that
shooting drones down with freaking lasers.
with lasers, yeah, I mean, to me though, the most deadliest thing is a drone. You can't. How do you? I mean, other than that laser, I get it, but I'm saying once they, look, for these poor soldiers in the field, man, you see a drone, you're dead.
You don't.
I mean,
You won't see the drone. That's the point. You're
but
just
even by the time you see it, you're dead. That's what I'm saying. There's
yeah.
no,
You won't see it. Like I've seen them.
yeah,
This was just a few years ago. Uh, and then I watched footage when I was at my buddy's place during the hurricane when we were staying there. The guy that does the satellite positioning stuff, and
yeah,
he was showing that the view from the drone camera, you could see the bodies moving around, but the view from the ground, there's nothing in the sky, and
wow,
all you see is you hear nothing. There was like they had put this thing down there planning this drone attack, and you hear nothing, see nothing. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, coming straight at the camera, the bomb, and you only see it for like a second flat, and gone, Dunzo. Six dudes, a truck, and a camera they placed there. I'm assuming days before just to catch it on camera.
that's some deadly stuff, man.
Yeah, they had no clue it was coming. Just poof, you're out of there, gone. Um, so anyway, I think the drone. Let me record something real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay,
I can record. Here's the thing is, um, I can't figure out how to get this screen pal to cut the screen size. If I could figure that out, I have a couple ready to go. I just don't know how to do it. I just don't know how to do it. So I'm just gonna go do it the old-fashioned way. Record a new one. All right, I'll be back. Like